this is all of my videos. Look how many videos that I made since 2021. Look, this is my first video in this place. Wait, it's loading. Okay. There's the old video. Wait. This is my first video. Let's watch it. Oh, okay.
Hey guys, this is my first video, and this is a very epic video, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Okay. My voice was a crack before since December 21, 2021. So, yeah, this is my videos. And I have over 163 videos that I made for 1 year, I guess. Okay, so yeah, this is my video that I made for 1 year. You should be appreciated. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.